Hi, Emily here with Lail Cakes. I'm making my Passionfruit sparkling wine icing. Start by whipping shortening until it doubles in size. And alternate the dry and wet ingredients. I added vinegar and salt to this recipe to balance out the sweetness of the powdered sugar. Whip it until it's smooth and glossy. I moved it into a larger bowl here since the next step gets messy. Pour in the wine, which you can add as little or as much as you like. The bubbly will add volume and tang to the icing. Lastly, add the passionfruit puree, which I found in the frozen section of my grocery store, if you can't find it fresh. When adding a liquid into an icing, it takes a bit of time to marry the two together. And I found by just tossing it in the microwave for a few seconds, it helps this process along. Whip, 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 whip until the ingredients are incorporated. I pair it here with a tropical coconut cake and apply with a piping tip for a nice even layer. I hope you enjoy and follow along for more baking tutorials.